Welcome to Racing Spike, the podcast where we spotlight volleyball British talents. I'm your host, Berus Giri Saputra, and today we're diving into the journey of Boy Arnes, one of Indonesia's most promising volleyball players. Joining me is sport analyst and commentator, Peros Wijayali. Thanks for being here.
I'm very glad to be here, Gary. Boy Andes is definitely a player with many skills and quirks that he's
Yes,
very
Peros.
much worth talking about. His growth, his style, his diet plan, and his future are very much something that is very much intriguing. And this in this podcast, I was very happy to talk about right here.
Peros, let's start from the beginning. How did Boy Arnes first get into volleyball?
Well, for start, he started during junior high, mostly for fun with his friends. But after many games, he quickly realized that he has very much talent after seeing his skills. Okay, he committed to countless hours of training, and by senior high, he was already known in most of his local competitions.
Did he play other sport before volleyball? What made him choose volleyball instead of say football or badminton? Was his family sport of this decision? Do you think his early and spread his playing style?
Yes, he said he loved team-based sports and volleyball gave him the much adrenaline that he needed. And his environment is very much supportive of his decision, and therefore that makes him much more motivated for the volleyball career.
No, for fans who might not know his style, how would you describe Boy Arnes playing characteristics?
His playing style is mixed, but but despite that mixture, he's very much strong. Okay, he's an outside first. He's an outside hitter, fast, aggressive, and with powerful spikes. But one stands out is his vertical jump and shot cross count shot, and after, and he is also very defensive, taking a much standing posture even under constant pressure.
Is he more of power player or a technical strikes? How is defense compared to the offense? What about his service? Do he go for risk or constantly? Do teams really do him as a finisher?
He balances power and strategy, but his offense is definitely his most sharp weapon. His serve is risky, but can be a game changer. And yes, in clutch situations, his teammates trust him to deliver their final point.
Let's talk Bill Stone. What are some highlights of Boy Arnes' career so far?
He has very much exercised his talent and shown that in the regional tournaments. Then he earned a spot in national leagues. His breakthrough came when he was named MVP in the provincial championship. That really boosted his profile.
How did that MVP moment impact his confidence? Did Scott or national coach Char notice him? Has he represented Indonesia international yet? What do local fans say about him? Do you think be a role model for younger athletes?
Absolutely. That MVP moment gave him confidence, and yes, crowds started watching. Fans admire his energy, and he's become an inspiration for players among the Go Pro. His playing style is very much unique, so that he also inspires many other players to have their own unique style and make them comfortable so they can play well comfortably and give out their best performances.
Every athlete faces challenges. What has Boy Arnes struggled with?
Injuries, especially minor ones, to hit, to Boy Arnes himself. That's the toughest test. It takes it takes very much time to recover physically and needs very much expenses, like the healthcare system in Indonesia. Am I right? So, but the bigger challenge is the mental test, where you can rise again, is or not.
Has he ever had major injuries, Carl? How does he handle Curtis from friends or media? Does he try mentally as much as physical? What is attitude like in the locker room? What you say? He thrives more under pressure of struggles with it.
Well, for that first question, he has minor ankle injuries, but thank God he didn't have any career-threatening ones, like a very badly broken leg. That will be sad. Okay? He takes criticism constructively and improves himself each failed attempt, and he also works on his mental training so that he may be strong enough to handle pressure, like I said. And he's also known as a positive presence in the locker room. And yes, he actually thrives under much pressure.
Looking, haha. What's next for Boy Arnes?
He's still very young, so his future is bright. There's many more challenges to face, and if he keeps improving, we could see him represent Indonesia on a much larger scale, like the Southeast Asian Games, maybe even Asian Championships, to maybe into the entire world.
Is he ready for international competitions? What parts of his game needs the most improvement? Could he be Indonesia next volleyball superstar?
Yes, with refinement in defense and consistency. And yes, he actually has the potential to be a national star.
Feroz, we've covered so many aspects of Boy Arnes, his beginning, his style, his challenge, and his future before we wrap up today's episode. I want to give you the floor. You follow with his career closure. So what's your personal take on Boy Arnes and what he means to Indonesia volleyball?
Let's go! Well, first of all, I'm sorry if I covered all things already covered. So I'm so excited on this podcast, and it's such a moment that also I slur my words like that. Okay, so first of all, he. So first of all, he started playing volleyball at a very young age, much younger than I just mentioned. It was just a casual activity with his friends in his neighborhood and school tournaments, and he all very much won them. He also lost some of them, but after that he saw that that he has talent in this volleyball thing. So lama. But he saw that wow, he has talent in this volleyball thing. So he started working out and joining provincial competitions. Sorry, man. Sit from a city perspective first, okay? So and that time he climbed up his career ladder, and he successfully made it to the top. Well, one of the top, but even one of the top, he's all very inspiring player. Next of all, I wanna talk about his playing style. from what I've seen, he has a playing style that is very well balanced of defensive and offensive. His offensive, he has a very strong spike, so in clutch moments he can really turn the tables. Also, he has a very much well defensive, and because of that he can save his team from losing in very tense moments, and that is complemented by his mental state. He has very much strained for this thing. I can't say any more words. I'm at a loss for words. I'm sorry, but after he's very much trained in this, and he also has built discipline with his diet, his lifestyle, and his body, and that makes his body shape so much better for volleyball. With constant training and those aforementioned practices that were covered, that can make him a rising star in the football world. In his first tournament, I can see that he has a very mixed emotions.
Yes.
Like I can see that in his face. He sometimes was happy, excited even, and he does have a tense feeling when he was first step on the field. Yeah, I can see in his face that it's his first time here, so give him a break, alright. And usually his pre-match routines, he usually listen to music, sometimes sometimes rock music, sometimes calming music, those brown noise. But after that, he makes a visualization of his movements in the field so that he can strategize winning moves quickly. And that's all.
And that is for today's episode on Boy Arnes and expression in volleyball. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to follow Sobat Sports so you won't miss sport inspiring stories from the world of sport.
Do you mean to Rising Spike?
Yes, until next time, stay active, stay motivated, and keep supporting our athletes with make us sport.
Thank you.
Đi từ Indonesia thì Arabi Boy bóng chuyền sinh năm 2003 đã được tung vào sân. Arabi Boy thay thế cho rất tốt, 2-3 đều. Chúng ta có xem lại pha tấn công của Rai, không qua được bóng chuyền Arabi Boy, như chấm đơn của Ran. Rất hay, được lệnh trắng của số 3 Arabi Boy, sẽ có thứ 3 cho Indonesia trong trận đấu đầu tiên. Arabi Boy Zulfikri, một cái tình huống sau cực kỳ uy lực của Arabi Boy, 4-0 cho Indonesia. Cú đập trên chắn của Arabi Boy. Vẫn còn cơ hội điểm cho Indonesia. Cú tấn công ở vị trí số 4 của Arabi Boy. rất vừa tầm với cú kết thúc vừa rồi của số 3 Arabi Boy. 8-4 cho Indonesia. Những pha lừa chắn cơ hội. Arabi Boy 12-6 cho Indonesia.